So 2 days left in the batch program. This batch program is going to be very interesting. I want to share few things about this batch program, how I plan to get it done, what are the things I am thinking that are going to be ingrained in the batch program. So this batch program is going to be the first batch program in which I am thinking not to use any of the slides. Yes, you already know in my program we don't use books. In this program, I'm not going to use any of the slides. What do I mean by that? You see, I'm a person who loves to experiment. I'm a person, as a result of experiments, we have achieved such a massive success that we already have 114 certified PMP in 2024, and other people are becoming certified PMP. Now I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna take it to the next way to make sure that every single person who really joins our program, they really become certified PMP. So one of the way is to understand how to solve the question answers. One of the way is to focus on the real content. One of the way is to make sure that every single person feel important. Every single person understand the nuances, the concept, the major things that are being covered in the PMP. So that's what we are going to do in this program. The program starts on Friday. What we are going to do, we are going to take you through each and every single concept that is important in the PMP, which are agile, stakeholder, communication, team, risk, quality, procurement, scope, schedule, cost, etc. etc. All the concepts we will be taking you through that, and we will be taking it in a form of case study. What do I mean by that? Okay, you tell me, out of these two things, what do you remember? I saw the world tallest building. Okay, that is case study number one. Case study number two. You see, I went to Dubai. In Dubai, when I entered to the downtown, I looked my head. I see a building, and as I kept on looking and looking, the building was going up and up and up. The building was so beautifully architected, and all the sides were glass. It was looking like a diamond, and it is considered as the biggest building or a tallest building in the world. And by the way, the name of the building is Burj Khalifa. What do you think? Would you like to visit for it? That is the power of case study. That is the power of case study when you put the context into the way. And interestingly, I'm going to use the case study of Burj Khalifa in our program. So this is something I really want to say that, like, even I'll give you a context here. Why the Burj Khalifa was even created, why the things happened that were added value, and what were the things that were done that did not add value to the organizational strategy. What was the business case that worked towards the Burj Khalifa way? What were the benefit management plan that looked into that way? Why that was important and why that was critical? What were the reasons or the decisions that we made that led towards that thing? So these are some of the things that I really wanted to share with you, how those things are going to be that. And in this video, I really want you to join my hands and help me in becoming you as a certified PMP. Last year we had 597 PMP. This year, as of 31st of March, which is my birthday, my goal is at least 200 people become certified PMP. I know the goal is big. I know the goal is far-fetched, but I'm a big believer. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. So that is the guideline I am following. That is the guideline I believe, and that is why I have made after the training program that you can do PMP in 2 weeks. Yes, you heard me right. I'm making a plan in which you can do PMP in 2 weeks. And how we are doing it, the context is that you don't have to read any books. You don't have to read any slides. You will understand the case study. You will understand each formation, how things worked, what were the risk that we handled, how the risk handled. And we are going to play with 18 plans and 33 documents that are used in the project, the actual documents. We are going to give you to fill that in the class. I will, once I've explained the topic, I will send you guys into a breakout room. You will make a mind map, and then in the next breakout room, you will fill that form. So for example, let's talk about risk. Most of the time, people are fixated what is the content of the risk register. I'm gonna give you the official formats of the risk register. You are going to identify the risk. You are going to put the potential responses. How did you avoided that risk? What are the risks that you escalated? What are the risks that you worked in the betterment, and things of those nature? What will happen as a result when you have made a risk register by yourself? When you know, okay, this response was avoiding the risk strategy, this response was accepting the risk strategy, this response was exploiting enhances and things of those nature. So once you have done that, what will happen? What will, as a result of that, whenever any question comes in the PMP exam, whenever any question comes in the PMP exam, you don't have to worry. You already know that, you already did that, and you can easily clear PMP. Now these are the live interactive sessions. These sessions, of course the recording will be provided, but my number one priority is that everybody actually joins this program in the live way, because most of the exercise will be in the breakout room, and breakout rooms are not recorded. Breakout rooms are not worked into that way. So my opinion, my request to you is that join the program that is starting on this Friday and become PMP. Not only PMP, learn the project management in the best and most effective way possible. This is the thing. You see, I consider myself as an artist, and this is my art. I love to do this thing, and that is helping people to become certified PMP. So I will ask you, register now and become PMP. I will be more than happy to facilitate you, guide you, whatever the way you need. Comment here, and I'll make sure that you become certified project management professional in minimum possible time. If you don't have my number is 848 3380545. I'm in USA, so the code is +1. So one more time, reach me out at +1 848 338 0545. Looking forward to guide you, work with you to help you to become PMP. The program starts on Friday. Bye bye.